just a few minutes, we'll place the final beam for the first phase of construction for the more than $50 million expansion and recognize all the progress that has been made, and we look ahead to what still remains to be done here at Point Place Casino. What makes this especially meaningful is that this beam is covered by the signatures of our Point Place team and others across the Turning Stone Enterprises who support this project, representing their irreplaceable role in making this expansion possible.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to the Oneida Indian Nation. Your vision and commitment to this project have been instrumental in making this expansion a reality.
Our relationship here is truly nothing short of amazing. Hundreds and even thousands of construction workers that have had an entry and also the ability to earn a living for their families here in our communities. Working on a project here at Turning Stone or here at Point Place.
Above all, the Point Place Casino expansion is an investment in the economic development of this community as a whole. It is much more than just new attractions and offerings. It is a more than $50 million vote in the confidence in Bridgeport, the town of Sullivan and Madison County, and an investment in people, the talented, hard-working people who make up the Point Place Casino team today and those who will join us in the future.